now.
Well, I don't know how full it's supposed to be, but I've never seen it that full.
Oh, that's normal.
That's normal?
I thought you were talking about like way up there.
Is that normal?
Where?
I see it lower.
Well, Mom, that's how high it was that one night.
What are all those things in it, Maple?
Huh?
Those are the little
Those are those
flying things.
things that are
Maple
helicopters.
seeds or something.
Helicopters.
Fish floating in
The
there.
things that
Did you guys have the spawn?
Spawn?
Spot?
just the waterfall.
Maybe it's the waterfall. Something leaks.
Actually,
It's not that full.
It's the far
Mom's
normal.
overreacting.
what's that doing?
It's leaking.
They had the waterfall on.
Wait, let's go look
I
over
didn't know
here.
that was normal.
Let's go look over here.
What's full to me?
Oh ho ho! We've got some backed up water over here.
What?
Don't look over here. It's coming out of the wall.
Frog.
There's a frog. Thinks it's a lake. Or is that a leaf?
The frog right
Are
there.
you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I guess it is. Looks like a leaf.
Water's awful deep there.
Oh, we ain't gonna be mowing for the next month.
I just worried about it coming in the house.
Yeah, I know. I'm worried about mowing it though. What will I do in my free time? Oh, that is a frog. Trying to swim. I'm sorry, Dad. I should have listened to you.
Yeah. Maybe you should go out there and pull that cover off and hook up that pipe.
You crazy?
I'm being serious, because if that water comes in here, it'd be better that you go out there and get wet.
Too bad we can't see the water level.
Looks like it's gonna stop.
Yeah, the wind's dying down.
Yeah, but see where the water is?
Yeah.
We aren't going to see it come much
I
further.
won't be able to see the pipe anyways, Dad.
Why?
Because it's going to be underwater. Submerged.
Feel. Put it together.
That's
Go
all.
out there and put those other pipes together, and we'll plug it in.
Yeah, right.
Well,
it's-
Anna, plug it in.
Maybe you should go out there with me, because you know what?
I can wear it.
That plug that's laying in the water there?
Water.
Maybe you should go out there with me,
I'm not
because
getting
you know
electrocuted.
I'm not
today.
getting
Not today.
not
Tomorrow?
getting electrocuted by
What?
a
Tomorrow?
big bolt.
Tomorrow I will.
Tomorrow I will too.
As long as it's not raining, I'm not going to get electrocuted.
But you could go out there and lift that lid, get that pipe together, get that other pipe together, and we get this pumped out. Huh?
Ah,
Leaking?
I just got drip done.
Yeah.
not leaking. Mom's just feeling
No, I
this.
got wet, but there's rain all the way up here, so I don't know. Maybe it's sunny.
That's the thing that's supposed to be pumping the water on.
Are you making a video right now?
Yeah? It's going on YouTube, Mom. Huh?
No, I don't think so.
What do you mean? Oh, okay, now I get
The
it.
water's up here.
It is?
Yeah.
You sure? Okay, so maybe it is.
Okay, do you think you can go out there?
I need a
I'll get it plugged
photographer
We're
camera.
gonna end up with
Photography.
water coming underneath this.
Can I at least get my shoes on?
You can put a pair of shorts on if you want.
Before
Good thing I'm prepared.
happens.
I told him.
You're the father.
I told him.
You're the father. Supposed to make him do this.
How many years?
Now I'm making him do it.
In the middle of the rain.
He'll get wet, like he gets wet when he takes a shower. It won't.
Or when
he
you
won't
spray him.
melt.
You have to wear those shoes tomorrow.
I'm wearing Dad's shoes, that's why, because I have holes in my shoes. So do you care? I have holes in my shoes. Come on.
Those are holy too.
He has-
Those are not going to keep
Yeah,
you
but
dry.
he's got big holes.
I have a hole the size
Go
of
ahead.
You got
Texas.
something hanging off and you're swinging all over the place.
Want to take that?
What is it?
Grass. Hurry up! We don't have time left.
You have to feel.
Oh man.
Why am I wearing jeans just sitting here?
Because I took them off to get to my shorts. Hannah, come on here, you gotta do the photography.
I can photographer
Hey, you
from
guys-
the window.
Come here, Brody. Get in here. Stay.
Jeez, can I have an umbrella?
Stay.
Yeah, so, you know what I'm on a
Oh my god. Look at all that water.
You have to kneel down in it.
I can't feel anything.
You might need a towel.
Rubber glue comes up. No. You'll have to kneel down. Yeah, get wet.
I am kneeling down. I don't
Oh.
feel anything.
You gotta get that boot on the pipe.
What do you think I'm trying to do?
It's like a dock.
I don't feel anything, Dad. I had to put something out. I think
Brody.
it's in there.
No, it's not.
Brody.
I don't feel it. You want me to get out here?
No, I don't. I can't.
Brody.
Look at the water.
I know.
All right, go
Plug it in.
fix the pipe that's broken apart out there.
Where's that?
On the other side.
Oh my gosh. You leaving me?
Hurry up.
What am I gonna do now?
Plugging it in. Dad is getting in the way of the professional photographer.
Do we have an extension cord down here?
Box.
The box is gone.
What box?
Dad! Should I plug it in?
No, I got no way to do it here. But I need an extension cord.
Why?
Because I want to get a dry one. I'm going to have you plug it in there, and then I'll plug it in here. That way nobody gets shot.
Oh, that's
But the extension cords are out in the shop.
You're just nice.
Can you go get one?
No. I think we should.
Go run this way. Go through the garage. Run out to the shop.
I think we can find one in here.
I don't think you can.
Hurry up.
I still don't think it's going to work because I think it's blown apart inside there.
I couldn't feel anything, Dad.
Okay, we'll try it. We'll see if we can at least get the water out of here.
Well, Dad, there's an extension cord right there.
Not long enough.
You sure?
Yeah. Run out to the shop. Just a short jump from the garage to the shop.
Yeah, in the lightning, in the rain.
A short jump.
Come on, photographer Cater. You're coming with me.
I'll be videotaping you from the garage.
Hurry up.
Oh man, this is a big video, man.
Yeah.
I forgot about it.
That was me, Brody. I'll put this around your neck.
Okay.
We might be running from.
Because you don't trust me. I'm videotaping from the garage.
It's tomatoes. Oh, you're nice. You're sneaking further behind.
Okay. Works for me.
No, I'm joking. Oh man.
Have fun.
Come on with me.
No.
Run.
No.
Okay.
You. Go. Nice.
Have fun?
No. Probably take the shoes with me. Wasn't actually all that bad. I'm already wet enough.
Yeah.
You're
I
just laying
videotaped from the
down.
garage. Can't really see you because the light's behind you. Okay.
It's probably a good thing.
Yeah. Kidding. You know I was joking. Love you.
Puddles. When you plug this in, put it up on the ledge up there, okay?
Hey, Dad, don't worry about me. Actually, worry about me. What about the plug? Should I dry the end of it off? No. You sure? Okay.
Shake it off.
Don't plug that in.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead and wipe it on your t-shirt. And then put it up on the ledge.
Yeah, but Dad, don't plug that in until I
won't.
get this. Okay. Oh, that.
Some frog.
I feel like I'm on a boat.
It's dirty.
Videotape
You're
him.
gonna have to.